Hi and welcome to the first look and unboxing of the XP Pen Deco 1 or 01. As you can see, we're at the front cover here. We've got the pad and the pen. Then on the reverse we have the pad and pen, and then a summary of the pad itself, 10 by 6.25 inch, giving you enough space for expressing your imagination. Ideally as well suitable for both right and left hand use. There's also 8 customizable short keys to make your process flow more efficiently. The stylus is actually battery free, which is very good, with 8,192 pressure levels and does not require charging. So it says here you can work and draw without unexpected interruptions. Compatible with most graphic applications such as Photoshop, Painter, etc. And has a brand new look, concise, smooth and linear, giving you a whole new different drawing experience. At the bottom here we've got the specification. As I've just mentioned, the active area is 10 by 6.25 inch. Pressure sensitivity 8,192 levels, that's on the pen. A report rate of 266 RPS. Hot Express keys 8. Interface support type C, and resolution 5080 LPI. So pretty good for a reasonably priced graphics tablet. Okay, let's open the seal and see what we've got inside. Nice to see it come actually sealed in the box rather than just a box. Okay, so what have we got here? I think we can just pull it, yeah, just slides off. Nice slide cover. We've got a nice blue box here. Let's open it up. There we go, we can see the pad here now at the top. In its bag. Sticker there, please visit the XP Pen website. So it looks like we've got to download some drivers before we install. Lift it up. Right, we'll just take a quick look at the pad first. Very nice, lovely size. Quite slim as well. I think the dimensions are about 8mm. So a nice thin slide. Let's undo and have a look. Again, nicely packaged, all sealed. Okay. Sliding it out. There we go. XP Pen. Coming with a protective film over it again on this. So it looks like has come in very nice protective packaging. Back of it here. So we've got graphic pen tablet, xppen.com. Designed by XP Pen in California, assembled in China. Dimpled back to it, and then the 4 rubber rests on the corner. So hopefully it should grip a desk very nicely. Okay, that's the tablet, we'll put that there. Let's look at the rest of the box. We've got, yeah, I can see the pen now. Let's open this up. Check what that is in a minute. So it looks like we've got a bag here of manuals and USB cable. Let's have a look inside here. Looks like we got the USB cable here. Thank you for shopping, XP Pen. warranty card, warranty policy. Here we go, the XP Pen glove to use with the pen and pad to help stop interference from your hands, doing unnecessary mistakes. Another warranty sheet, and here is the graphic drawing tablet quick guide. Looking good there, and various languages. We then got here the pen. Let's have a look at this. Take that out. That nice little pen, plastic sleeve again. Everything's nicely packaged, very well presented. Here's the pen itself. Got the click button here, which I think you can assign certain actions to, such as maybe eraser, etc. Okay, quite light. And then we've got, I think this is, looks like the actual pen holder. Let's see how we get into this. There we go. XP Pen. So it looks like that's the top, and then the pen drops inside, like so. Nice place to store the pen when not in use, to keep on the desk. Rubber grip here around the bottom. You can open this as well. There we go. Just turn it there. There we go. And there's your extra pen nibs. So it looks like there's 8 in there, 8 pen nibs. Very nice. And then that just screws back on. There we go. The actual the box it's come in, nice blue box, very nicely packaged. Pen holder with extra nibs. The pen itself, nice and light. USB cable. Bag of warranty cards and manuals, and the XP Pen glove to use with the pad. And then one last look at the pad. Here it is, and there's the pad itself. Lovely size, nice weight, nice and slim. So hopefully we'll give it a go and maybe try a video of it actually in use. So there we have it, we've unboxed the XP Pen 01, all looks good so far. Thanks for watching.